Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by importing your photo into Picsart and immediately duplicating it into 2 or 3 layers named dark, mid, and bright. Once done, adjust each layer's exposure or brightness. Pull one down for shadow detail, leave one neutral, push one up for highlights. Make sure layers are perfectly aligned. Tap each and use transform if needed. You're creating the tonal building blocks that HDR needs, so be deliberate with stop adjustments and keep changes subtle to avoid clipping. Now you'll blend those layers to combine the best tones. Start by experimenting with blend modes. Lighten or screen can lift shadows, while normal at reduced opacity preserves midtones. Once a mode helps, add a layer mask and paint with a soft brush to reveal only the improved areas. Focus on skies, faces, and shadowed textures. After masking, use curves and contrast on each layer to balance color and detail. This localized control is why manual blending beats automatic filters for realistic HDR. To finish, merge visible layers into a single image and apply a gentle HDR or tone curve adjustment to taste. Avoid overcooking clarity. Then add slight sharpening and export at the highest quality setting, but first save a layered copy in case you need edits later. If you see ghosting from movement between layers, immediately undo, realign layers, or mask out the moving subject on the offending layer. This manual cleanup is the key troubleshooting move when automatic merges fail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.